Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2016 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to replace this ceiling or dome light bulbs. This video should apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now replacing this is actually quite easy. All you have to do, you have to pop out this middle plastic piece, but you have to be careful not to crack it. I will turn on the flash on my phone. So you will see there is like a small cut opening actually right here, and this is where you have to pry it, right? So you have to use something like a flat screwdriver or even better the plastic trim remover. So you will just pry it here and this glass should pop out. You should be able to get access to the light bulbs. Okay, so in my case I'll be using this flat screwdriver. I have a plastic trim remover as well, but this will actually work better for me. If you use something similar, just be careful. So I will just pry it here, and once I get under this plastic I will gently push it down, and that's how you do it. You see there's like this clip right here, so this is the one you have to pop out. Okay, so you have to get under this plastic piece and then gently try to push it towards that side. Ideally you would use two hands, but I'm using one hand to record. But anyways, this is the idea, and once this is down you have access to both of the light bulbs. To remove this light bulb you just pull it straight out. Okay, and that's the idea. To install it back in, same thing, you just pop it back in. Before putting the cover, make sure that the bulb actually works. Okay, and now to put this plastic back in, first you want to insert this side all the way in so it aligns nicely, just like this, and then you will gently hold it here and gently bend it so this piece pops in. Okay, I accidentally opened the sunroof. Doesn't matter. That's how you do it. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.